let's get it started. This is gonna be the Daiwa Strikeforce 2000B, and I'm going to be repairing the anti-reverse Pawl. Anti-reverse Pawl, I think is the name of it. So you're gonna, I'm actually gonna skip ahead to doing it and then flip back to this. This is gonna be disassembling it, but the fix I'll skip right to right now. Oh wait, that's why. Yeah, so now we're starting to get into the a little more difficult stuff. Oops. Now this, okay, yeah. So I don't tighten that very hard because it's difficult to get off. I don't have any tools for that. But all you need is a screwdriver for this. And now let me see. Oh boy, there it is. Hopefully it's only this disc. Right, that disc was down. Yeah, here we go. So this little, it is going to be this piece, and of course works in tandem with the spring, if you could see that. And it's going to be quite a difficult task. This probably just pops right. Yeah. Now this can. Yeah. So this is actually 3 pieces. So the spring that spins around, and then there's that copper color looking thing, but then there's the big piece, and this is what we're going to be repairing or fixing, whatever. So I ended up having to fix this because it just lodged itself out of its little place here, but it was one of the things that I pretty much had to teach myself how to fix, and it was quite difficult. It's gonna be, I think the first thing is you put the, the lone part of the spring here, you put that, in right there. Oops. But then you also, oh boy. So I'm gonna pinch this right here, and I'm gonna push the spring in first. Doesn't want to behave. There we go. So I have gotten that just a hair in there, and oops, but I need to kick this thing in all the way over. Yes, just like that. Yep. And that sets it back in place. I'm first going to attach it back. I do not want this to screw up. So now we're going to be able to mess with this thing. So I can of course go my normal way, but I can't. So it is fixed, it is working. I'm going to turn it off. So now I can. I'll set this back together, I guess. And I'll probably put this in the video, but that was a lot quicker, or it was decently quick for this thing here. There we go. In this particular reel, I have used quite a long time. I've fixed, of course, this thing before. But besides that, I have just so many times. It feels like now I fixed the bail spring. Is it at least twice? I think I've had to do it. Oops. Where's this nail? Oh, I see. But it's definitely a really good reel. I would say it's very, very affordable as well. I think it's $20, maybe 25, but I think it's definitely worth it. I still find these bail springs here and there on the internet, and you get to, of course, repair it yourself. The bail spring's not too bad. I do have a video on that as well. And you gotta put these pieces back. There we go. All the even plastic washers, but this little turn thing. And I guess that's it. That's your repair. Thanks for watching.